is my YouTube channel that I brand. And if you are a returning subscriber from my channel, thank you for coming back and visiting my channel. Um, Today, I want everyone to know that knowledge is important to feed your mind, your spirit, your actually keep your mind healthy, keep it active. All right. My way of keeping myself active is that I crochet. It's good therapy for me. And if you're looking for something uh, to actually start an activity, to help you relax, be more calm, you can go on to my crochet channel and I can teach you all about how to relax, crochet, good therapy. You can watch my videos. My videos will actually woo you because you're going to like the things that I make and what I do for people. I do have customers all the time. Even if I sell at my craft shows, I'm always having customers having me to make them something that they love, some kind of a character, some kind of animal. It could be a scarf, it could be a poncho, it could be anything. And a lot of times they'll ask me if I could make different things that I have never made. And I actually go ahead and try to find a pattern to crochet the items that they want me to make. And it's been successful. And I make a lot of money doing custom orders too. And at the same time, I have to make my videos. And this is one of my videos that I am actually uploading tonight. Okay, I'm going to try to squeeze a video tonight so that my YouTube subscribers know that I am still alive. I am everybody. I just have been so busy. And I'm sorry. But continue to come over, continue to come back to my channel because I do always upload videos. And a lot of videos will be about me and my life and my style and about my progress in working on my entrepreneurship in molding myself to be self-employed. And I will retire soon. I want to retire really soon, and in 5 years. So I'm building my YouTube channel. I'm actually got this channel monetized. It's growing. I am accumulating a little bit resource income coming through the AdSense program with YouTube. And just to let you know, in order for you to start a channel and get paid through YouTube, you're going to have to just start a YouTube channel and find a niche that you're good at. You do need 4,000 watch time hours, and you need 1,000 subscribers to actually get into the YouTube ad program with YouTube. And then you have to set up an AdSense account because it's connected with to get paid through YouTube. All right. Anyway, I want to remind everybody: believe in yourself. Okay, believe what you can do to make a difference in this world. And my purpose to make this video is because everybody has a unique gift. Everybody has uh, a good thing to share with people. All right, and I'm gonna share a few of the quotes in here. To I'm just gonna open the book wherever it lands. All right, there you go. You can make your dreams reality. You can make your dreams real. You can make whatever you're good at a reality in the physical, um, in the environment around you. You can make your dreams come true, whatever you want, whatever you desire, whatever you want to manifest, you can make your dreams come true. And let's pick another one. If your dreams run, chase them. Okay. If your dreams run, chase them. So, in other words, how I look at that, if you're dreaming about something and it's it's going past your life, right now in front of you. Chase after it. Okay, don't just let it go by. Don't just don't stop your dreams from happening. You got to acknowledge and run after whatever you are wanting and desiring to be successful in life. And then the last thing I'm going to share next to it is I can, therefore I am. So you can do all things. Jesus in the Bible says you can do all things through Christ, which strengthens you. Okay, you can do all things. Nothing is impossible what you can do. And you can, so therefore I am. Whatever I want to be in life, you can manifest it in your life. All right, everyone, thank you for stopping by at my YouTube channel. Uh, I haven't made a video lately. This is just a one-time video show right now. But make sure you watch my suggested videos, all my videos. Just browse through my channel. You'll find that every video I make is always going to help you. So don't forget to watch at the end of this video. Watch, will be actually enriched, and you're going to feel good about your from actually watching those videos. And I hope it will motivate you. I hope it will help you maybe start a YouTube channel on your own, okay? And start one, okay? If you have not and you've been wanting them, if that's one of your dream, chase it, okay? Therefore you can, and therefore you will. You will. Nothing is impossible. Whatever you can do, you want to make money on YouTube, go ahead, start your YouTube channel. All right, everyone. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you watch the notification bell if you're one of my subscribers, and watch the latest fresh video that I upload. Talk to you all soon, and bye for now.